Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 BMW 2 Series 228i. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with a power convertible top, power folding heated mirrors with signals, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 17-inch light alloy wheels, all-season run-flat tires, speed-sensitive rain-detecting wipers with heated jets, fog lights, automatic headlamps, and a turbo 4-cylinder with only 25,630 miles. Key fob trunk release, parking sensors, the rear window in the convertible top, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row power heated Sensitech sport seats with driver memory. Cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, a locking glove box, a tracker system, a tilting telescoping sport leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation system with a CD player, Bluetooth, and high fidelity speakers, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.